Hey middlers, it's time to do a tutorial for you on the Dancing Bear. The Dancing Bear is repetitive, okay? It starts off with this phrase that starts on E, F sharp, G, F sharp, E. So, make sure you can do that really well. And then if you take that and divide it up into different phrases with different endings, you'll get the song. So it starts with that E, F, G, F, E, and then it goes A, G, E. Let me show you. And then again, same thing. A, G, E. This time it's almost the same, but we're going to go all the way up to B. A, B. And this next phrase that I'm going to teach you, you get to use in the next section as well. B, B, C, B, A, G, F sharp, G, E, E. Let me play the whole A section. That's again. Going up. This is the reusing. Then violins will go up to open E, or violoncello, you might want to stay on that low E. So here's the next phrase. Very repetitive this time, even more repetitive. E, E, F, G, F, E, F, G, E, E. 3 times. Then that phrase we reuse. That's the whole song. I'm going to play the whole thing through right now. Here we go. Then that happens again. B part. Reuse. I'll add some chords. Good. Now that you've heard the whole tune and know how to play it, I'd like to take one last second and play each part slowly once through so you can join me. And I'll count it off and I'll say, ready, go, we'll play da-da, like that, okay? Just so you have a chance to play along with me. Watch my fingers as we go, okay? So here we go. From the beginning, starting on E on the D string. 1 and 2 and ready and go and. E again. This time we go up. Reuse phrase. And that happens again to make an A section. Here's the B section. I'm going to start on open E, violoncello, you might want to stay on that E. 1 and 2 and B section, go. Here's that reused phrase. And that happens twice to make a B section. There you go. There's the dancing bear.